creating a coffee station out of a crate, and I thought I would share the process with you. This is an IKEA crate that comes unassembled as a little kit. So this is a small one and this is the large one. So a while back I stained it and assembled it with a cordless drill, and it's ready to go. To get more space out of the crate, I cut a plank to size. This is a fence plank, and painted it black, which will be mounted inside the crate at the desired height from the sides. So what I thought I'd do is personalize it for what it's for. It's a coffee station, so why not coffee it up? But this crate proves to be a little challenging because of the gaps of the slats, so I'm going to selectively use fresh coffee and strategically move it around and get what I'm looking for. I'm using a bit of a swirling motion with this round tip stencil brush. What this does is it gives you a slightly more transparent look. Hey, that looks good. So I'm going to take advantage of 100% Colombian underneath. So I'll just scoot the stencil down wherever I want it to go, position, and start again. Something I like to do is walk my fingers along where I'm stenciling. It kind of gives you added insurance that nothing is going to move on you. Super cute. Because fresh won't fit on this particular crate, I'm going to bypass that part. However, what I thought I would do is just randomly go over the rest of the crate with shipping crate stamps and kind of get an overall crate appeal to it. This crate is going to be in somewhat of a unique situation where I'm actually going to use it like this on my counter because of the coffee station thing. So theoretically, I should be stenciling everything that way if the crate was being used in an upright place. But since I'm not, and I don't want the letters looking upside down, I'm probably going to do it theoretically backwards, if that makes sense. So I had another brainstorm, which I'll share in a moment. So I swapped out Handle with Care with Valentine Crates Handle with Love, which is the perfect tongue-in-cheek saying for my beloved coffee.